I was cutting across a beaver dam here. I got my waders on, and I mean a dandy. I mean a dandy cottonmouth. So I'm gonna buzz this camera around and show you a big fella here, boy. He got my attention, but he's grown and he's just laying. He's just enjoying that cool water, minding his own business. But yeah, oh, he's wiggling. He's getting a little wiggle now. But you got to keep an eye on those things when you're down here in the swamp like that. Very common. And best thing to look for is that white mouth. You get them to pop that white mouth open, that'll generally give you a pretty good idea. There he goes. That's what I call him, a cottonmouth. Hey, fella. All right, we got to get back to it. He's going down in them roots now. Got an owl down here. He's just literally right here behind me, watching me. Let's see if we can slip up on it. There he is. Hey, fella. Can you spin that head around? Oh, there we go. Hey, fella. I'm not exaggerating. I'm like 10 yards from him. He's just sitting there. Maybe a she. She's just sitting there on a limb watching me. I mean, this is crazy. So I'm squatted down here on the ground, just sitting up there on a limb, just making all kinds of noises. I ain't kidding. I'm like 10 yards from her. That's got to be a she. I don't know. I just think it's a she. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm all wallered down here on the ground. I came down here because I left my multiplier stuck in the side of a tree from a video that I did yesterday. So I had to come get my multiplier. So I ran into a cottonmouth right up the creek, and then I saw the owl, and she don't care nothing about me. There's my multiplier stuck in that tree. I'm gonna get up and see what she does. I gotta get going. It's getting dark. Mosquitoes are killing me. That's the closest I've ever gotten to an owl. Man, what a story. Was cool. Never get tired of that. You can be having like one of them kind of days and you come down here in the swamp and it don't matter what it is. God will throw you a bone or whatever. You might not think seeing a big old cottonmouth's a bone, but it wakes you up. And then just literally, I mean, here, just check this out. This is just too cool. Okay? That's where the owl's at. We're gonna step it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. 12 feet, give or take. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the owl. Not really sure what kind of a video we're gonna do with it. God bless, I gotta get a new hat. This thing's all jacked up. Probably like the owner of the hat. Anyway, y'all have a good day.